Getting rid of solid batter remains from your leftover frying oil is what I am going to help you out on today's episode. It is very common for batter to be left over in your deep frying oil. Usually droplets whenever you are frying get into your oil and they just remain aside, and we then let the oil to cool down and just keep it aside. Today I will show you very simple ways of getting rid of this solid batter remains from your oil. Let's check it out. In an empty bowl, take about 3 to 4 teaspoons of corn flour. Thereafter, mix it with water. Ensure that you mix it well, and without leaving it to settle down, pour it in this hot boiling oil. Now, once you do that, you'll see that it will fry the batter. This action will help all the leftover particles to be stuck to the batter. Once this is fried well enough, it will move easily. You can keep stirring it for some time and then remove it out of the oil. Can you see how the particles are stuck very nicely? Now your oil is free from all that. Here, this is how the oil will look once you have removed this batter. See, and this is how the batter looks. Alternate option, what y'all can do is y'all get these oil straining jars. I will attach the link in the description box in case if y'all need to purchase it. This is very nice as well. You can just strain the oil and leave it in the jar, and as and when you all need to use the oil for frying, you all can remove it from the container and use it. Friends, do let me know in the comments section from which all countries you all are viewing my hack. I will certainly be very happy to know that my hack is reaching out to people at various places. For those of you all who are new at my channel, it's a sincere request to please not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it, so that you get updates each and every time I post a new hacks video. If y'all have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to send me an email, or y'all can even leave a comment or get in touch with me on my social media sites. That's all on this episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.